Welcome to Arcaya, a prime residential development in Vilamoura. More than just real estate, this project is inspired by the natural landscapes of the Algarve. With a focus on sustainability, it aims to create the ultimate year-round living destination. A community growing alongside unspoiled surroundings. This is where luxury comes naturally.
Discover an authentic lifestyle, deep-rooted in nature. Here you will find sustainability seamlessly integrates across the entire resort. With curated walking paths, residents members clubhouse, spa, fitness centre and concierge services, experience a better life with these exceptional resort facilities. Within easy reach of Vilamoura, each home here offers a unique blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces, but is also a part of a shared vision to live more responsibly and more connected to the world around us. From solar integrated roofs to local materials, Arcaya champions eco-conscious design without compromising comfort or elegance.
Inspired by the sweeping natural panorama, the sunset and hillside residents offer a soft organic tone, a minimalistic contemporary line, and they'll come fully finished and ready to move in. These fully serviced homes are ideal for a lock-up and live convenience, seasonal stays, or as a smart long-term investment in the Algarve's real estate market.
But if you prefer to design your own villa, Arcaya offers just that. A number of limited plots are available to build your very own bespoke home within the resort while still benefiting from its service and amenities.
There are also 3 signature villa collections: sand, terracotta and timber, each with a distinct aesthetic inspired by the colors and textures of their surroundings. Warm materials and natural light create a seamless indoor-outdoor flow, infusing them with a unique sense of place. Whether you're investing, relocating, or simply seeking your next chapter, Arcaya offers something truly rare. A place to breathe, a home to inspire, and a community to connect with and grow into. I'm Sandra.
I'm Fred.
I'm Liza.
And I'm Sam.
We are Mapro Night Frank.
Discover Arcaya,
where life is well lived.
For more details on Arcaya, please visit our website, keep following, or contact our office.
Thank you for watching.